Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these pumpkin cheesecake bars, and let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a food processor and make the base. So grab the food processor and blitz down the digestive biscuits until they are a fine crumb. They should look somewhat like sand, that's what you're looking for. Then add in your melted butter and make sure you've got it all completely melted and there's no lumps. Add that in, mix or pulse until it's all combined. It should look a little bit more like wet sand at this point, and that's what you're looking for. You want it to be clumping together very well. Grab yourself a 9x9 shallow sided baking pan or tin which has been lined with some parchment paper. Then transfer all of that biscuit mixture into there. Then spread and level it out as best as you can, and then compress it down just so it stays in place and bakes very well. So while the base is chilling in the fridge or freezer, feel free to make the cheesecake filling. So grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in all of the cheesecake ingredients, just not the flour. Place them all into the bowl and then mix with a hand whisk like I will, or you can use a hand mixer, whichever works best for yourself, and just mix until everything is fully combined. You know, you can't really ever mix it, but you just want to mix it until it's fully combined. It should become a kind of paley orange brown colour, and this is what you're looking for. Then you can go ahead and add in the flour and mix this in until it's fully incorporated, being careful to not over mix the mixture at this point. Once it's just about incorporated, give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is a good way to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. And as I forgot to add in the vanilla earlier, I add it in now and just mix it in just until it's fully incorporated, and it should look something like this. Then you can take your base, which is chilled, and top that with the cheesecake filling, and just place it all on top of there and spread and level it out as best as you possibly can. Once you've got it level, you can then place it into the oven. All of that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out. So once they are baked and fully cooled, you can then cut them up into portions. I portioned mine into 8, but I found that these was quite rich, so you could halve them very easily like I did for some of them, and you'll still get the same amount of treat. It's just a little rich, so you don't need as much. But again, it's completely up to you and how many you cut them into. It should look a little something like this. It should be very similar to a pumpkin pie, as it's a pumpkin pie cheesecake. So if you want to take these bars one step further, you'll want to make some whipped cream for the topping. So simply into a mixing bowl, place in your double cream, your icing sugar and vanilla, and whisk on a high speed until the mixture reaches stiff peaks, being careful not to take it too far, as otherwise you'll have a granular mouthfeel. You can then go ahead and pipe on top however you would like. I just went with a random pattern, but feel free to pipe. Again, it's completely up to you. You're the one celebrating, you're the one making them, it's really up to you. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social medias. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.